Hey guys, Big John with J Custom Builds. If you're new to my channel, my name is Big John. Currently giving away two bikes, 2009 Ultra Classic, 2010 Streetglide. Ultra Classic's right here, Streetglide's in the front garage. If you are interested in winning one of these beautiful bikes, head over to my website right now, jcustombuilds.com. Buy yourself a hat, buy yourself a t-shirt. We have men's shirts, women's t-shirts. Men's are all black right now. Women's has 3 different colors. Check them out the website. Purchase yourself a hat or a t-shirt, and that will be your automatic entry into the giveaway. Other than that, hope you guys are great, and let's get started on this video. Right now I'm trying to get the bottom ignition panel on, fairing, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm gonna have to take these grommets off and put them back on. They're actually glued right now. Oh yeah, they're glued on pretty good. I might have to get some new ones. Yeah, they're glued on really good. Yeah, I wasn't ever planning on taking them off. I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit, guys. So when you get this back on, you wanna take all 3 of these pieces off, right? You wanna make sure that you get your Jesus Christ, I can't think. You wanna make sure you get that back on. It'll come to me. So the plastic part goes on first, right? And it's flat on the bottom, and it has a little groove. And the little groove right here, and then it's like stepped right here. That little groove goes on the very top, right? It pushes it down flat. And then this only goes on one way, right? You want to get the points up. And it goes on just like that with the groove on the very top. And then you want to take this. Oh man, this is like all. Let me clean this up really quick, guys. It's got little marks on it. So you want to get the indicator plate on there. Then you get this on last. You can tell which one is the top. Just make sure you look at it really good when you take it off. And then it's a 7/8 if you're going to use a wrench to tighten it up. Watch your paint there. So that's all you really need to get it on. Wrench is back in there. And then you get this beautiful guy back on there. I'm trying to remember how you do it. I think you put it in a locked position, and then you take your key. Okay, maybe not. It's been a while, guys. Give me a second. I'm going actually to put the jack back under it so that I can try to push the jack in a little more. There. All right. Story here. So when I was getting the forks on, the wheel locked on me like, I don't know, weeks ago, right? And so I had never, or I don't remember ever having to deal with the tumblers inside of here. But I couldn't get it to line up. It wouldn't go down. So I kept turning the wheel back and forth, right? And it wasn't locking anymore, which told me that the tumblers inside were off. So I looked at the key and I thought, okay, so that's the way these tumblers gotta go. So I had a thicker screwdriver and I don't know, I had a bigger screwdriver, and I was told that you can actually go in there and you can turn those with the screwdriver. Well, I knew that already, right? I was told that like years ago. So of course, I've done it dozens of times before, right? Turning it to unlock the wheel, but I've never readjusted the tumblers. So the tumblers were off. So I was working on a video yesterday and I had to get off because I had to look at some videos and see how those guys aligned the tumblers. I could not find a video on aligning the tumblers. They said you had to either take it to the dealer, which I'm not going to do, or you had to buy a special key to align everything up. And I thought, if I messed it up, if I unaligned it, then I must be able to realign it, right? So that's exactly what I did. I got one of my screwdrivers and I started playing with it, and it took me about maybe 8 minutes, 10 minutes to get it to drop in and realign. But once I got it aligned, I figured out how to do it. It was really, really, really easy. Most of the things to do on these bikes are really, really easy. So I finished that. My wife was going to one of our niece's baseball games. She's 13. And she's got a younger sister that's 10 or 11, or gonna be 11. And I think she just turned 11. And they both play softball, right? It's fast pitch for the 14-year-old, and it's also fast pitch for the 11, 10-year-old. So anyways, my wife was going, I wanted to go, but I wanted to get blue done. I ended up putting some new shocks on it yesterday. They're not new. I bought them on Facebook Marketplace from a custom shop here in Fremont. And so I was able to put those on yesterday. I created a video. So what happened was I started the bike yesterday, but when I started it, I realized that my fuel line that comes down here and actually plugs into the bottom of the tank was spurting out really, really bad. And it's happened to me before. It happened to me on Sapphire. And so I had to go get a new fuel line for Sapphire, and it did fix the leak. Let me show you here. You can see that right there on Sapphire. So anyways, it did fix the leak. So I thought, you know what? I should be able to fix this, right? Rather than dealing with all that. Hold on, let me fix this. So I really wanted to ride this bike yesterday. I was going to get some content on it and everything, but things don't always go as planned. So I took this guy apart, and it says that there's actually O-rings in there, but I couldn't find anything. So I took it apart, took the little bearings out of it and cleaned it. There's an O-ring deep down inside there, and it doesn't seem to look bad. So I guess there's tools and you can take these apart, but this line is like super stiff. It's a 2007. I don't know if it's bad, but I took the little O-ring out of there and I damaged it taking it out. So I don't know if this is bad or this is bad, but I just need to order them both. This is on back order for 10 weeks, which sucks. I looked all night yesterday and this morning for a couple hours, and there's a couple places that might have them. And so 2007 is different than 2006 and below, and 2008 and up. So I need to talk to somebody more about that. But I did order one of these guys from JNP Cycle, and it should be here Thursday or... Oh, look, the spring and everything came out of this. So anyways, there is a kit that you can get to put these together, but I'm going to just try to order these parts because what is the bike? 15 years old now? 2007, right? Is it 15 if I'm counting right? And these are old. So I'm going to keep them in case I end up getting the rebuild kit. But I'm going to order some new ones for now because that is my personal bike. And I'm planning on keeping her now. My wife, and we talked about it. And I told her, I love my 2019 Road Glide that we bought brand new in 2018, 5 years ago in November. But that one's perfect for her and I. But this one is just like my solo bike. You got to have a solo bike where you just get on it and you just take off and you just cruise. And I got some things from work. That's a great thing about working at a Harley shop, a custom Harley shop. You get the opportunity to buy stuff from other customers at great prices that it's true that have a lot of money and they don't care. They're like, dude, just give me a couple $100 and you can have them. And so I got some surprises that are coming on the Blue that I'm going to show you guys. And then I'm going to do something to that right there. So that video is going to be coming out pretty soon. So I've learned a lot of cool stuff at that shop. I've taken full engines apart, assisted in putting them all back together. I've done transmissions. There's nothing that I haven't done to a bike yet. So I've done everything that you can think of on all that, from taking them, tearing them down to helping them. I've probably rebuilt about 5 or 6 of those transmissions completely from the bottom up. So that's no problem. To everything in the front, the primary, putting new belts, new chains, everything on them. And I'm stoked, man. I'm really happy working for Metal Dragon. Oh, I just said the name. Really happy working for Jim, and I'm learning a lot, and I love my job, man. You know, I look forward to going to it, but I also look forward to being here and doing all the things that I've learned here at home. So hey guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. There's a lot more coming. I got a lot more things that I'm going to do to these bikes. Things have just been piling up. So I just wanted to say, if you have not entered my current giveaway, giving away a 2009 Ultra and a 2010 Streetglide. These bikes are immaculate. They run excellent. They're beautiful. And if you did not enter this giveaway, man, I'm telling you, you're really missing out. $75 can win you one of these bikes. I got 16 grand in each bike, and I'm still putting more in each bike. All you have to do is head over to my website, buy yourself a hat, buy yourself a t-shirt or both. There's different sizes for men. There's several options for women in 3 different colors. $75, and that's your automatic entry into the giveaway. So other than that, man, I hope you guys are having a good week. Always remember to ride safe, take care in everything you do, and God bless. And thank you for watching. Really appreciate it.